Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Elektra Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the heating element, the one that you see here. Unfortunately this one was tripping the breaker, and we replaced the O-rings and the gaskets and pretty much all the little gaskets of the machine, and we disassembled the whole thing, deep clean everything, deep clean the spring of the piston itself, the gaskets of the piston, replace the gaskets from the side glass as well, deep clean just give it a good tune up, a good cleaning. And now as you can see the machine is at 1.2 bars, so we're gonna do an espresso shot. Hopefully I pick up the right ground settings for this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee. This one is a bottomless portafilter, so it's a bit trickier to get that perfect shot, so let's see how it goes. The way I tempered the coffee was not the best. As you can see, it's kind of going on the side instead of going to the center. But we were able to get some really good caramel out of the espresso shot, which is great. And now we're gonna test the steam. As you can see, working perfectly fine. Very powerful. Excellent temperature as well. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Elektra Microcasa working once again. So thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content released every day. And thanks for watching.